So what has been going on with eStart and digital vehicle titles? As you know, we've been a member of the eStart Coalition, along with many other professionals like DocuSign, TrueCar, Odessa Auto Auctions, Carvana, many other automotive and digital platform participants. And so far this year in 2024, we've had a lot of success in getting certain states to transition to electronic titles. Here's a breakdown of what eStart has done so far, and we'll look at some of the specific documents as well. Legislative recap, modernization. Still a few states with legislatures in session. Most of the states have already concluded for the year. Here is a recap of the legislation and the outcome that impacted from the eStart Coalition. Colorado adds lease vehicles to electronic titles. Before, they had electronic titles, but only for purchase vehicles. Connecticut, impacting existing electronic document processing, so that's good news. Authorizes making electronic notifications for title records. Mississippi requires electronic notification of lien satisfaction. This is great because lien releases are notoriously a problem, and having that done electronically is good. South Dakota allows remote notaries. That's a really good advancement, so that way you don't have to go in person to a notary. Tennessee requires, the key word, requires electronic lien and title system by June of 26. So this is a full transition to electronic titles. Utah, again, remote online notaries. Establish electronic title system by the end of next year. This is crucial. Virginia, secure power of attorney. This is something that's not a big deal, but it's helpful. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. Still in process, Massachusetts has a very good e-signature bill that's in process. It'll probably get passed. New Jersey to establish electronic lien and title. And that's pretty much a done deal. That just has to get signed off on. North Carolina establishes a print-on-demand temporary tag system. So that's a big deal. You can print your own tag system, license plates, temporary tags for eStart. A few other policies that are in the works. You have National Highway Transportation Safety Administration, NHTSA, has an interpretation. Massachusetts, electronic signature and lien. This was one of the ones that was initially done, one of the first test cases. And as you can see, in this one, we're a signature. Car Titles is one of the main signatories of it, along with Carvana, Odessa, a lot of other providers of these technologies. Another big one was in the state of Georgia for online notaries. Again, we signed off on this one, Car Titles right here, along with DocuSign. DocuSign was a big promoter of this because it's online notaries. It was right to the governor of Atlanta, or governor of Georgia in Atlanta, to allow remote online notaries. This is a big deal. This is one that will set the stage for a lot of progress on online titles. The more these rules and regulations start to be promulgated in the various states, the more it'll catch on like wildfire. It only takes a few states to get it done, and then the other states will see it, and we can use it as a model to transition to electronic titles. Gone are the days where you have to sign papers, you have to wait for bulky titles to come in the mail, lien releases. All the different types of title and registration processes will be a lot more streamlined, a lot cheaper, a lot easier to do, and you won't have to wait as long. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live, one-on-one, undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.